Friends, welcome to the channel. How you can enable ultimate performance mode in Windows 10. Some of you might have heard about it and some of you might have even not heard about it. What is ultimate performance mode? So this is my blog amanwats.com, and you can just go and check there the whole details, complete details, stepwise configuration, how you should proceed to enable ultimate performance mode in Windows 10, that is written here. So first of all, to start with ultimate mode, you should keep some points in mind. Is this mode is only available for Windows Pro, and it is not manually enabled for laptops or any device which is running on battery. And the sole reason is this particular mode eats up lots of memory, lots of resources, and it always keep your CPU on, it always keep your hard disk on. And that is the reason, that is the reason that battery operated, or the devices which are on battery, are not considered fit for this. But still, if you want to enable this mode into your system, you can do that. And I have written all the steps here. Just go to the search command here near start button, and you can just type command. Basically, you need to bring the command prompt, and you need to type as it is this particular command. This command is available. I have written, in fact, I have written, this is a picture, but I have written here. So you can just write this command. You can just go to amanvats.com and check. You write this command. After you write this command and press enter, so your ultimate performance mode will be on. Just to remember, the command prompt has to be with administrative privilege. So what you can do is just write command here. When the command comes, right click on that and run as administrator. That is second step. Third step is just write the command which I just shown you and press enter. When you press enter after writing this command, ultimate performance mode is available. Now you just need to go to customize power plan. There is separate post for that. If you don't know, you can write in the comment box. I'll just get it done. So you can just go to the customize power plant, and now the ultimate mode is performance mode is available. You can just select it, but again beware, this is huge resource consuming. If you are not really required that, just don't do that. So this is a short video on how to enable the ultimate performance mode. Thank you very much. For details, it is complete details, stepwise details are written here. So you can go to amanwats.com and check there. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.